The integrity pledges are meant to complement the already existing mechanisms as well as enhance transparency, accountability, and openness as instruments to promote good corporate practices. As the Office of the AG, we believe that corruption is an insidious vice that has corrosive effects on the governance architecture. It undermines constitutionalism and the rule of law. Corruption violates human rights, erodes confidence in the administration of justice, and permits organized crime. Corruption undermines the dignity of hard work. It dents the ability of public institutions to provide basic services, thus fomenting inequality and injustice. In fact, corruption is a barrier to the realization of constitutionally enshrined and guaranteed fundamental rights. It must therefore be nipped in the bud so that its ruinous effects are curtailed. The Office of the AG, which serves as the principal legal advisor to the government and represents the government in civil and constitutional proceedings, has no room for any practice of corruption. I'm sure this is almost like a repetition of what I said to my entire team as we witnessed the launch of our website together with our familiarization workshop. We have no room for corruption in the Office of the AG. We are fully supportive of the trajectory being taken by the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission to arrest corruption. So the signing of the integrity pledges today signifies total commitment by the office in putting in place measures meant to enhance accountability and transparency. In 2024, the board approved the Code of Ethical and Professional Conduct for all officers serving in the Office of the Attorney General. The code obliges all officers to demonstrate the highest standards of ethics, integrity, and professionalism, as well as fulfill the obligation to provide timely, quality, and cost-effective services. Our officers are expected at all material times to perform their duties diligently and with a high degree of discipline. They are required to maintain integrity in public service by acting with fairness and impartiality. The code further places a positive obligation on all officers to report fraud, corruption, nepotism, maladministration, or other conduct which is criminal or prejudicial to the interests of the office or the public, and must encourage others to report such conduct. All officers must shun corruption and other vices linked to abuse of office. The Office of the Attorney General will not hesitate to sever ties with any member engaging in corrupt practices. All officers will sign the integrity pledges as part of measures meant to promote transparency, justice, accountability, and responsiveness. These critical values are recognized and embedded as founding principles and values in the Constitution of Zimbabwe, which is the supreme law of the land. The office aligns itself with Section 9 of the Constitution, which prescribes that measures must be taken to expose, combat, and eradicate all forms of corruption and abuse of power by the holding public officer. Flowing from this broad objective, we believe that the signing of the integrity pledge is one of the several ways of increasing the momentum in the fight against corruption. As the office, we have a constitutional obligation to promote, protect, and uphold the rule of law and to defend the public interest. This is a higher calling which requires us to shun corruption in all its forms and manifestations. We will always put national interest above personal interests. Mutual cooperation between my office, the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission, is fundamental in enhancing access to justice and fighting corruption. Collaboration by various players is also key in promoting, protecting, and upholding the rule of law, as well as defending the public interest. There's no doubt that this will positively contribute to the whole of government approach in conducting business and combating corruption. With these few words, I thank you.